Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I did want to do a Beetlejuice look today, and I was floating around trying to get some inspo because I feel like everyone has done a Beetlejuice look, and I wanted to of course do something a little different. However, I really love Desi Perkins Beetlejuice that she did last year, so I was like, I can't do the exact same thing, but then I said yes I can. Let's follow Desi Perkins YouTube video, and I saw that was a trend going around a little while ago, and I don't like to follow a lot of trends. However, I think I'm gonna follow it today. I think it'll be cool to kind of do step by step exactly what she's doing, probably with a few different products. So I'm excited. I'm gonna actually have her video playing down at the bottom as I try to recreate what she did. Wish me luck. Let's get into this now.
Today's Halloween tutorial is going to be me recreating this artwork I found online of Beetlejuice, but this is car juice. This tutorial is really fun, and what I love the most about it is that it's really hard to make mistakes. It's almost like a beautiful mess, so you don't have to do the exact same strokes. The messier the better. And I'm going to be voicing over this tutorial because I had to really get in the zone. Let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. The first thing I'm going to do.
Alright, so Desi is actually going in with the Jouer Cosmetics foundation, but I'm actually going to use the RCMA foundation. I'm going to just, as I normally do, take a spatula. I personally always like to warm up cream foundations on the back of my hand. Kind of get it nice and loose. Oh, sorry, I'm not even showing you guys. Okay, so I'm actually not going to go in with a green. She's using the Makeup Forever Flash palette, whereas I'm going to be using my Snazaroo water activated paints. I'm just taking this artist brush here and just kind of really going in. This is gonna turn into like me doing my own thing. I already know. Alright, so what I'm doing actually now is I'm taking my yellow and I just sprayed it with a little water, and now I'm going in with the same brush. Like, I didn't dip back into the green, and I'm just kind of messing that up a little bit. Oh, there we go. Boom. I'm gonna dip in with this Wolf Essentials water activated paint as well, and kind of just get into here. I feel like I am not doing the same thing at all. Oh my god. As I already said, I'm sure that I'll be doing my own thing at some point, and sure enough, I started jumping around a little bit before her. I did see the overall look, so of course I was just kind of jumping around here and there, starting in different places than she did, so you guys will see that throughout the video a few times. So I know this look is pretty similar to what she's doing, so I did want to just remind you guys that I am not using the same products that she is using. She is using actual makeup products, where I am using water-based paint products. I'm using the brand Snazaroo as well as Mayron, which you guys can find Mayron products online, and Snazaroo products you can also find online or in any craft store. So to make our lips look a little poutier, we are going in with a purple in the center, and then just kind of blending that out. And then you'll see we'll go back to the lips a little later, adding a darker purplish red kind of tone to really make it look nice and plump. So here we are outlining our Cupid's bow as well as our lip. I did start to get a little off track and outline areas that I personally wanted to outline. Then you're gonna see that I'm doing the Y in the center of the lip like she does later in the video, just to make my lips look a little poutier. Now we're just creating some shadows underneath the jawline as well as the neck. Going in with more of a maroon burgundy kind of color, I'm going to outline my lips and then start to blend it in again to give it that full pouty look. Again, whenever you want to make your lips look nice and pouty, you want to highlight the center of your lips. This is going to highlight it. So here I'm just using some white paint by Snazaroo. So now I'm going to start highlighting. I'm going back into the Snazaroo white face paint and highlighting the cheekbone area, highlighting my Cupid's bow area, my chin, as well as the bridge of my nose. Be sure to incorporate your neck while you're doing this makeup, depending of course on how much skin you're showing. Because I did not have a blazer and I chose to paint on my blazer later on to be similar to hers, I did have to go down my chest area. Now we're just sketching out the actual collarbone and neck area, and I'm just gonna go back into the eye area and darken that up a little bit. I feel like it was starting to look a little gray. Alright everybody, so this is my finished look. I tried my best to follow after Desi, and of course it doesn't look exactly the same. I don't have a wig like she has. Mine is more like a Party City kind of wig, super cheap, and then I did some spray painting. I wanted mine a little more green than hers, although I love how hers looks. I just wanted it to be a little more Halloween-like, and then I also didn't have a blazer, so I had to try to draw it on real quick, but I thought it went cool with the whole drawing situation. But I'm not too crazy about how the wig is sitting, again because it's a cheap ass wig. But this is my finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, so stay tuned for my entire Halloween season. We're gonna have some fun this year, and don't forget to let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see more gore, more character, or maybe some optical illusion on here too. Okay, bye.